Hello, good morning to all of you. All are welcome for my second fire and safety training class. That is second class I am related for this. What are the safety areas? First class I have already mentioned what is a safety. If safety rule is not followed, what are the things is going to be happen? You can get an accident. Then what is an accident? That I have explained. It is an unexpected or unplanned event. Because of this thing, property can damage or life can spoil or even injuries can occur. Or this thing I have explained it. And the main reason for accidents are either an unsafe act or an unsafe condition. Unsafe act is mainly human error, and unsafe condition is due to the working conditions of a working area. These are the two main reasons. 88% of the accidents are happening due to unsafe act. 10% of the accidents are happening due to unsafe condition. So what that means 98% of the accidents are under control. Only remaining 10% just not only remaining 2% just remaining with us. So this is out of control. We can say that. So 98% of the accidents we can in a control way. This is what I have just explained a brief way. Now, what we are going to learn this class means what are the areas of safety and how this is going to be affected in every area, how this is important. We can see that there is no any area without a safety. So safety is everywhere. That's why we always say safety first everywhere. So still we can consider some of the area is very important and it is applicable to everybody. These areas are there. First, fire safety. Fire safety, why I am giving more important means fire accidents are very common and fire is everywhere possible. Even in your home is possible, even your school possible, even when you are traveling in a bus, there also possible. Any similarly, mass shopping mall, football ground, because fire is a very common incidents or accidents are happening in everywhere. So everybody must have some basic knowledge of the fire safety, so that we can just we can have a good control, or we can avoid almost some knowledge we are getting fire accidents, or even our life can save from this fire incidents when you are somewhere in a shopping mall or any other thing. If suddenly fire happened is there. So that's second thing is electrical safety. Electrical, everywhere electrical is there. So electrical, every day we are hearing that somebody got a shock or somebody got a fire short circuitous there, in that fire incidents has come there. So all of us, we must have a basic safety knowledge, electrical safety knowledge for everybody. It is an essential thing for in our life. And next one is our industrial safety. Industrial safety means it is again a very wide range. There are different type of industries are there, different type of standard we have to follow. Depending upon the industry, different type of safeties requirements are there, that every people may not be knowing, but the person, those who are related, those who are working that particular area or particular industry, they must be knowing about their safety. As it is as a general safety, we have to only know a general conditions of the industries only. Next, coming to the area is a construction safety. Nowadays, construction industries are very fast improving. So many new construction machineries are coming everywhere. Piling is there, and also digging is there. And another construction industry, what we are facing a major problem is most of the people are uneducated people. So everyday accidents are happening like anything, like a construction industry. In my experience, I have worked as a construction manager in one of the steel plant. So I faced that in a year more than 80 fatal accidents has happened because of this labor problems. Labor, they do not know anything about the safety belt, and they may not be wearing also. Such incidents are happening. So construction industry safety is very important. And that educational program also we have to start it. Then another is a chemical safety. Chemical plant, it is very important chemical safety. Why I am telling means chemical industry when any abnormal situation is happened, that is not only going to that particular people only, it has been going to be affected that particular every community surrounding that area. You can just give go for an example of a Bhopal gas tragedy. This has happened in the year 1984, that December 2, I think. There was a Union Carbide factory, a poisonous gas called methyl isocyanate, which has been leakage has started. Leakage has started, and surrounding area, all the villages, everywhere it has spread. And what happened is nearly more than 15,000 people lost their life, and about 60,000 people got injured also, suffered like anything because of this gas tragedy. That's why chemical safety is a very important. Wherever chemical plant is there, surrounding area, people must be also educated to what type of incidents, what type of leakage can occur in that particular area. Similarly, another area is the road safety. Road, everybody is driving a vehicle, so whatever the minimum road requirement that we have to follow, and all the road safety knowledge also every people should have. And similarly, transportation safety, road transportation, maybe say both are similar, but still some idea you must have it. Transportation means nowadays so many hazardous materials is getting transported everywhere. Even some petrol, gas, some leakage or something has happened there. What we have to do, publics are a lot of suffering from this one. So a basic knowledge for everybody that transportation safety is also required there. Then next one is food safety. Every day we are taking so much of food. The food quality we have to check it. And in case of any small poison is there, several people are going to be affected. Even you must have seen that every day in India, some liquor, the people are just taking some poisons and taking the alcoholic liquor, and they are losing their life. So many people are happening in many villages, many states also. So food safety is one of the, not only in food and also this alcoholic type of drink, everywhere that food safety is a very important factor. Then another one is the radiation safety. Nowadays many people are using the radiation equipment, like even our mobile, not only mobile, in X-ray equipment, like this is so much of radiation is there. That radiation, how we have to control that knowledge we must have. So similar that nuclear plant also, the radiation safety is required there. Then another one is a cyber safety. Nowadays it is coming that so much of mobile, when you're using, our data is spoiling there. So cyber safety. Similarly, medical safety, medical field, whatever the medicine which we are using, so that safety is required. Like this way, if you are seeing that safety is a very wide area. Safety is very wide area, and we have to follow this safety for a happy living. At least some basic knowledge we must have it. Now, what should be our approach to safety? Our approach should be a proactive approach. What do you mean by a proactive approach? Proactive approach means you are not waiting till that problem has to come. Before that, we are taking some action. That is called a proactive approach. So in the safety also, we are not waiting for till the accident has come. Because before that, we have to take a step. I can just give you a small example. Suppose you have purchased a new vehicle. You are getting the manual, usage manual they are giving you. And the manual is telling that for 3 or 4 the service they are giving freely. Then every 3 months you have to give a paid service. So okay, so you are taking and you are doing this 3 for this service and paid service you have done it. Then you are thinking that there is no any problem in my vehicle. Then why should I give the money to this? Maybe in the first month you may not have any problem. Second month also you may not have a problem. The third month when you are taking that one, you may be having a breakdown in the road. So such a problem you should not have to face it. That's why you are having a service program, service planning is there. The similar way, safety, we don't want to have an accident. So that's why we must have an approach. We have to have a proactive approach should be there. So always everybody should know about their at least minimum basic knowledge about the safety. And how we can identify this program is you have to just know what is an hazard. Everywhere that hazard is there. Hazard means something which can harmful to us. So if you are eliminate that thing, then the accident can be eliminated. So I am not going to talk you much more thing regarding hazards and other thing. Subsequent class I will be talking you. So today what I have what I was teaching you means mainly what are the areas of the safety. Then what should be your approach? Your approach should be a proactive approach. There is no any area without a safety. Safety. That's why everywhere it is the safety first. And we must have an identify the hazard and eliminate the hazard. Then we can get that achieve the safety. So for the time being, I am going to stop it. If you like this video, you share it and you subscribe it. This is my request. It's a continuous type of education. So I am having a request to everybody. Please see one by one and you can get a good safety knowledge. And just for the time being, I am just leaving this class. Wishing you all of you a good day. Good day means happy, healthy and safe day. Thank you very much.